Have you ever wondered how we went from horse-drawn carriages to high-speed trains and modern automobiles? The answer lies in a period of remarkable transformation known as the Industrial Revolution, a pivotal era in history. It was a time of unprecedented innovation, particularly in Britain, that forever changed the course of human history and society. Beginning in the late 18th century and lasting throughout the 19th century, this era witnessed a seismic shift from agrarian societies to industrial powerhouses. At the heart of this revolution lay groundbreaking inventions and engineering marvels that redefined industries. These innovations touched every aspect of life, from transportation and communication to manufacturing and urban development, reshaping the world. The world was irreversibly altered, paving the way for the modern world we know and live in today. Imagine a world without cars, trains or planes, a time when the only way to travel was by foot, horseback or by rudimentary carriages. This was the reality before the Industrial Revolution, a period that dramatically changed the course of human history. Travel was slow, arduous, and often limited by geographical constraints. Journeys that take hours today could take days or even weeks back then. The steam engine, a marvel of engineering, emerged as a game changer. It revolutionized not just transportation, but also industry and manufacturing. Developed by Scottish inventor James Watt in the latter half of the 18th century, the steam engine harnessed the power of steam to drive machinery. Watt's improvements made it more efficient and practical for widespread use. This invention paved the way for the railroad, a transformative innovation that redefined transportation. Railways allowed for faster, more reliable travel over long distances. The first steam locomotive, designed by British engineer Richard Trevithick in 1804, marked the dawn of a new era. It demonstrated the potential of steam-powered transportation. Railways rapidly expanded across Britain and beyond, connecting distant cities and facilitating the movement of goods and people like never before. This network grew exponentially, linking towns and cities across continents. The impact on trade, industry, and daily life was profound. Railways enabled the efficient transport of raw materials to factories and finished goods to markets, fueling economic growth and urbanization. The steam engine's influence extended far beyond transportation. It became the beating heart of factories, powering looms, spinning machines, and countless other industrial processes. Factories, once reliant on water wheels and manual labor, could now operate on a much larger scale and with increased efficiency. This led to mass production, making goods more affordable and accessible to a wider population. The steam engine's impact on manufacturing was nothing short of revolutionary. It fueled the growth of industries, created new jobs, and spurred economic growth. Cities grew at an unprecedented rate as people flocked to urban centers in search of work in the newly established factories. The steam engine's legacy is one of unparalleled progress, propelling the world into a new era of industrial might. Section 4. Weaving Wonders, Textile Innovations and Their Significance. The textile industry was at the forefront of the Industrial Revolution, witnessing a series of groundbreaking innovations that transformed cloth production. These advancements not only revolutionized the way textiles were made, but also had far-reaching effects on the economy and society. One such innovation was the spinning jenny, invented by James Hargreaves in 1764. This device was a game-changer in the textile industry. This ingenious device allowed a single worker to spin multiple threads simultaneously, significantly increasing productivity. It marked a shift from manual labor to mechanized processes, paving the way for mass production. Another key invention was the power loom, developed by Edmund Cartwright in 1785. This invention was crucial in the mechanization of the textile industry. This mechanized loom, powered by water or steam, automated the weaving process, further boosting efficiency and output. It allowed for the production of textiles at an unprecedented scale and speed. These textile innovations had a profound impact on society. Factories became the new centers of production, drawing workers from rural areas to urban centers. Clothing, once a luxury, became more affordable for the masses. The availability of cheaper textiles meant that more people could afford to buy clothes, leading to changes in fashion and lifestyle. The demand for cotton soared, leading to the expansion of slavery in the American South, a dark side to the Industrial Revolution's progress. This increased demand for raw materials had significant social and economic consequences, highlighting the complex legacy of these technological advancements. Section 5. Communication Revolution, the Telegraph, and Shrinking World. Before the Industrial Revolution, communication over long distances relied on letters carried by horse-drawn carriages or ships, a slow and unreliable process. The invention of the electric telegraph in the 19th century revolutionized communication, shrinking distances and connecting people in ways never before imagined. The pioneering work of Samuel Morse in the United States led to the development of the Morse code, a system of dots and dashes representing letters and numbers, which could be transmitted as electrical impulses along wires. The first telegraph line, established in 1844, connected Washington, D.C. to Baltimore, marking a pivotal moment in communication history. News and information could now travel at the speed of electricity, transforming business, politics, and personal interactions. Section 6. Building a New World. Advancements in Architecture and Construction. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant advancements in architecture and construction, driven by the need to accommodate burgeoning urban populations and industrial growth. The use of new materials, such as cast iron and later steel, enabled the construction of larger, taller, and more durable buildings. The Crystal Palace, a masterpiece of iron and glass architecture erected in London for the Great Exhibition of 1851, stood as a testament to the era's engineering prowess. New architectural styles emerged, reflecting the changing times. Factories, with their imposing brick facades and towering chimneys, became symbols of industrial might. The Industrial Revolution's architectural legacy continues to shape the urban landscapes we inhabit today. Section 7. A Legacy of Progress. The Enduring Influence of the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was a period of profound transformation, driven by a relentless spirit of innovation and a series of groundbreaking inventions. It began in the late 18th century and continued into the 19th century, fundamentally altering the fabric of society. From the steam engine and the railroad to the telegraph and textile machinery, these innovations reshaped the world, leaving an enduring legacy that continues to shape our lives today. The steam engine revolutionized transportation and industry, while the telegraph transformed communication, making it possible to send messages across great distances almost instantaneously. The Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in human history, ushering in an era of unprecedented progress and technological advancement. It led to the growth of cities, the rise of factories, and significant changes in the workforce, including the shift from agrarian economies to industrial ones. Its impact on society was profound, transforming the way we live, work, communicate, and interact with the world around us. The revolution also brought about social changes, including the rise of a new middle class and the development of new social and economic theories. The legacy of the Industrial Revolution is all around us, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the transformative potential of innovation. From the skyscrapers that define our cityscapes to the digital devices that connect us, the echoes of this pivotal era continue to resonate in our daily lives.